Supergirl is apparently getting shorter, but Superman may be getting bigger. A new report says the upcoming DC Studios Supergirl movie has been cut down by roughly 25 minutes ahead of release, with the final runtime now listed at 1 hour and 47 minutes including credits. The more interesting part is what was reportedly added along the way. Even more, David Cornswet as Clark Kent and Superman. So while the movie itself has gotten leaner, Warner Bros. And DC Studios appear to be leaning harder into the two biggest outside pieces attached to the film, Superman and, from what we have also been told, Jason Momoa's Lobo. World of Real report that Supergirl has test screen more than 10 minutes with 3 different endings shown to audience. The latest screening reportedly took place in California last week and ran around 1 hour 50 minutes. According to the report, earlier January 2026 cut ran 2 hours and 5 minutes without credit. The official runtime is now said to be 1 hour and 47 minutes including credits, which usually account for another 5 to 7 minutes. Put together, the report says roughly 25 minutes of footage has been removed from the movie in the last 5 months. We also know that the film has gone through 3 composers. Ramin was first attached, followed by Zack Snyder's Batman vs Superman and Justice League composer Tom Holkenborg, Junkie XL, before Claudia Cerne ultimately took over scoring duties. World of Real says the latest California cut included additional Clark Kent and Superman scene that line up with what I heard at WonderCon when Insider told me the film was being reworked to add more David Cornswet as Superman. Warner Bros. Later backed that up when it quietly updated its official Supergirl production announcement to add Cornswet to the credit cast, taking his involvement out of pure rumor territory and making clear Superman is part of the movie's official studio push. Now World of Real is saying the newest cut went even further, with more Clark Kent and Superman worked into the version that screened last week. It's the same thread we've been pulling since the Spiring. For a movie sold as Kara Zor-El first solo DCU movie, the added history is starting to tell a different story. Supergirl may still be Millie Alcock movie, but Superman appeared to have become a bigger piece of the final package, just as the film's box office projection continue to slide. DC Studios has repeatedly insisted Supergirl can stand on its own, with fans not required to see Superman first. The reported added history suggests otherwise, with the latest cut set to include even more Clark Kent and Superman footage. Jason Momoa's Lobo may be part of the same strategy. Back at Comic-Con last summer, I reported that Warner Bros. Decided to expand Momoa's role after Access were impressed by his performance as Lobo. At the time, the word was that the studio liked what it saw and wanted more of the DCU's main man in the movie. World of Real later reported that Lobo made a strong impression despite limited screen time. My WonderCon insider also said more Lobo was being worked into the film. A character originally said to have only around 5 minutes of screen time, so the pattern is hard to miss. The movie is reportedly shorter. The ending has changed, the music has changed, Superman has been added, and Lobo has reportedly been boosted. It's also worth noting that director Craig Gillespie has repeatedly denied that James Gunn creatively interfered with the film, and none of the principals have detailed whether the changes originated with Gunn or Gillespie himself. The difference here is the amount of movement this close to release. It's a lot of churn for a film whose box office projections have been sliding in the week before it opens. A reported plus test screening, 3 ending, 3 composer, a shortened runtime, added Superman scene, and a larger Lobo presence point to a movie that has been heavily worked on it post production. The question now is whether those changes make Supergirl stronger or whether audience notice the seams or better yet if they even care. Either way, the final cut sounds very different from the one that reportedly existed just a few months ago. Supergirl may be shorter, but DC is clearly making sure Superman and Lobo are harder to miss. Supergirl flies into theater June 26, directed by Craig Gillespie and starring Millie Mathias, Eve David, Emily David Consuet, and Jason.